How to see your Google account password? First, if you have saved your Google account password in Chrome, first of all open Google Chrome on your phone. Click the three dots in the bottom right corner and select Settings. Scroll down to Autofill and click on Password Manager. You will need to enter your mobile phone password or use biometric for security. Search for your Google account by typing Google in search bar. Click the eye icon to reveal your password. Just like that, you can view your saved Google account password. Go back to your home screen. Open the password app on your device. You will need to enter your mobile password or use biometric for security. Tap on the search bar. Type in Google. Select Google. Tap on password section and see the password. And that's it. Whether you need to find or reset your Google account password, now you know exactly what to do. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.